Hello friends, in this session we are going to discuss another LeetCode problem, generate parentheses. Given n pairs of parentheses, write a function to generate all combinations of well-formed parentheses. Let's understand the problem statement better. Pair of parentheses means this one, both opening and closing parentheses together. This is one pair. You will be given n such pairs of parentheses. Using these n parentheses, we have to generate all possible combinations of well-formed parentheses. What is well-formed parentheses means? This is called well-formed. This is not well-formed because closing parenthesis is coming before opening parenthesis. This is also called well-formed. One opening, one closing parenthesis, followed by one more opening, one more closing parenthesis. This is also well-formed. Two opening parentheses followed by two closing parentheses. Hope you understood what is well-formed parenthesis means here. It is balanced parenthesis. Based on this, if you notice all these well-formed combinations, every combination must start with opening parenthesis and must end with closing parenthesis. Let's understand one more logic. Let's say our input is 3 pairs. It means we have 3 opening and 3 closing parentheses. If I write this, what options I have now? The possibility is I can add one more opening parenthesis here. Or I can add max 2 closing parentheses here. Since the input is 3 pairs, can I add 3 closing parentheses here? Is it possible? It is not well formed. It is not possible. The maximum allowed is only 2 closing parentheses based on number of opening parentheses here. So I'll just revert this back. We can add one more closing parameter here only after adding one more opening parenthesis. Like this. Based on this, if you closely notice, number of closing parentheses cannot be greater than number of opening parentheses at any time while constructing these combinations. At max, both can be equal. Closing parentheses should never exceed opening parentheses, but opening parentheses can exceed closing parentheses in the flow. We will use this formula to build our logic. I'll clean this up. We are going to use backtracking approach. Let's put the discussed formula here. Closing must be less than or equal to opening. We will start with an empty string. In this case, we have only one possibility. We must start with opening parenthesis only. Here we have two possibilities. We can add one opening parenthesis here. We can add one closing parenthesis in this case. Here we have two possibilities again. We can add one more opening parenthesis. We can add one more closing parenthesis here. Here we have only one possibility. Since number of both parentheses are same, we can add only one opening parenthesis here. Here we have only one possibility. Since we have already used all opening parentheses, we can only add closing parenthesis here. Here we have two possibilities. We can add one opening parenthesis. We can add one closing parenthesis. Here also we have two possibilities. We can add one opening parenthesis and we can add one closing parenthesis. Again, there is only one possibility here. We can add closing parenthesis. Here, since we have already used all opening parentheses, we can only use closing parenthesis. Here, since number of both parentheses are equal, we can use only opening parenthesis in this case. Here also we have only one option. We have already used all opening parentheses, so we can only add closing parenthesis. Here also we have only one option. we used 2 opening and 2 closing parentheses, so we can only add opening parentheses in this case. Again, here we have only one possibility. We can add only closing parentheses here. Again, here also only one possibility. We can only add closing parentheses here. Same here. We can only add closing parentheses. Same here as well. Same here as well. Look at the length of these combinations, which is 6. We have already used all 3 pairs to construct these combinations. These are the final result. Return these combinations as a list back. Hope you understood the logic. We will be using recursion to implement this logic. Let's write code now. I have already copied method signature from LeetCode as it is. Let's declare a list to store final combinations. At the end, we will be returning this list. We will write a helper function for backtracking. We will make recursive calls on these helper function. This list will carry the finalized combinations. This string carries the combination that we are constructing in each recursive call. Open will be used to track how many open parentheses we have used as of now in each recursive call. Similarly, close is used to track how many closed parentheses we have used as of now in each recursive call. N is number of pairs, which is our input. As a first step, we will check the length of the current string. If it is already reached maximum length, then we will add it to the final result and return from the recursion. Now let's check if open is less than input n. If so, we will add open parentheses and make a recursive call. We will also increment open count. Close is not going to change. Similarly, if close is less than open, then add a closing parenthesis and make a recursive call. There is no change in open count, but we'll increment close by 1 step. We are done with the helper function. Let's make a call from this function. We will send an empty string. Initial open value is 0. Close value also 0. Actual input n. We are done with coding. Let's test our code. I have already added main method to save some time here. We are making a call to generate parentheses with multiple inputs. Let's run. Here is the result. We can see that it is generated all possible well-formed combinations, which is as expected. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please do like the video and please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.